Hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing today? On this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this little wooden glued on trim piece that you put on vehicles. Sometimes they put it all over the dashboard. On this particular vehicle, it's already been removed off the dash, but it's still on the door panels and over the passenger side on the vents. So what I like to use is take a little pick set, and you can do one of two things. You can either let the vehicle sit out on a hot sunny day in the sun really good, because it's actually held on with some double-sided tape, or you can use a heat gun if you got a heat gun. I also have a Milwaukee heat gun. Well, like I said, get your little pick set. It doesn't have to be a snap-on set. You can get them at Walmart, Harbor Freight, places like that. I just have a lot of snap-on tools. So, like I said, any pick set will do, or a heat gun if you don't have a pick set. Then you just take and you get in there behind it with one of your picks. I use this 90-degree pick right here. And you pull the actual plastic piece off. And then you got to get in there behind that glue material. And yeah, you're going to tear it up, which is fine. You just want to get it torn on one side, so then you can work on getting the rest of it off. Like I said, if you've had it sitting outside in the sun all day, that really helps. Like I said, because it's actually double-sided adhesive tape. Sometimes you turn it sideways like that and just get in behind that double-sided tape right there. I said, as you can see there, it's just double-sided adhesive tape. Probably should have let this get a little warmer, but it's okay. It's coming off. There you go, guys. Now we got this side off. We're going to go around to the passenger side and do that side. Alright guys, well, we're on the passenger side. And we're going to do the same thing here. And then we're also going to get the vent right there on the dash. So, let's just do the same thing here and work this one off. So I get it behind it. Make sure you take your hook and bend it at an angle so you're not scraping and tearing up your door lock trim piece, because you definitely don't want to be gouging it up with the end of this pick. So I just stick it in a couple little spots, get it behind there and pull it like that to rip it. So it just makes it easier to sit there and pick it off. I said I just sit here and pick at it like that to pull this double-sided tape off. I said, you know, I intentionally, because of some other repairs I'm doing to this vehicle, left it out in the sun for several hours. Like I said, but you can also use a heat gun. But in this really small, tight space with the door handles and door lock button, I didn't want to use a heat gun just because I didn't want to potentially mess anything up around it. You know, but this way works just as well. And don't do that. Don't poke the end of your finger because it will bleed. There we go, there goes that one. Now we're going to go after the spinny here and we'll